Hi folks, welcome back. You are watching my video on solving Rubik's Cube made easy, step 2. In this step, we'll try to complete this white face. So in step 1, we have got a white cross on the white face, and this is having a white cross, and this is having a white cross. Along with that, we have one more. Just don't bother about the other pieces that we have it on the cube apart from this white cross. So we have solved this white cross in step 1, and in this step we'll try to fix all these corner pieces in the correct positions. So in order to solve this complete white face, we need to identify the white corners. These are the white corners that we need to fix. So we need to identify whether do we have any white corners on the top layer. So with white color facing any of the side faces and not the top. So if you check this cube, we have one edge piece with white color on one of its side and not on the top. So in that case, we need to select that corner piece, and we need to move the top layer in such a way that this particular color should match with the side center. So we need to move this top layer so that yes, the color has got matched with the center. So once you get this, you need to hold the cube like this and then perform the moves R and then top clockwise and then right anti-clockwise. So by doing this, you have fixed this white corner. So once you fix this white corner, just check whether these two colors are matched with the side centers. So this has got matched with the white, and then this side has got matched with this side center, and this has matched with this side center. Similarly, these are the corner pieces that we need to fix. So I'll be checking the top layer for these white corner pieces. So this is a corner piece which is having white on one of its side face. So and fortunately the other side color has got matched with the side center. So I need to hold the cube like this. If I am having on my right, I'll do the moves that I performed it for fixing this. And since we are having white on left side, we need to hold the cube like this such that these two colors, this color matches with side center, and then perform the move left anti-clockwise, top anti-clockwise, and then left clockwise. By doing this, we have fixed this white corner piece. So this color has got matched with this color has got matched with this, and then this. So we have fixed two white corner pieces, and let us see, do we have any other? Yeah, we have one more corner piece over here, and again fortunately the color has got matched with the side center. So we need to hold the cube like this, and then since we are having the white color on right face, we need to perform R and then T clockwise and then RI. RI means right anti-clockwise. So we have fixed this corner piece, and we have one final corner piece, and in order to fix this, we need to check whether we have any corner piece on top layer with the white on one of its side face. We don't have it. but we have a corner piece with white on top face. So in that case, we need to see where should we place this corner piece on the bottom face. So here we need to place it. So rotate the top layer such that we bring this piece above the position where we need to fix. And then since we are having it on the right layer, we need to perform a different move, that is right clockwise and then top clockwise 180 degrees and then right anti-clockwise. So by doing this, we are not fixing this, but we are making this corner piece such that we'll have white on its side face instead of top. So we got white on its side face. Rotate this top layer such that this color matches with the side center and then perform the move. Right clockwise, top clockwise 90 degrees and then right anti-clockwise. By now we should have got the complete white face on the bottom layer. So this is the bottom layer and we have whites on it, and along with this we need to get a T shape on each side face. This is a T shape, this is one more, this is one more, and this is one more. Though we have one more red along with T shape, no matter whether we have it or not, just make sure that you got a T shape on all your side faces. This is how we solve the step 2 of solving Rubik's cube. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Have a nice time. Bye bye.